Hello friends, let us discuss the concept of class plus 1 chapter linear inequations. Yes, firstly before doing this concept I want to tell the meaning of linear inequation. You know what is linear whose highest degree is 1 of variable. Variable means x or y. Variable can be x or y, two variable also can be there, one also. But linear means highest degree is 1. Inequations means equality will not be there. Unequal means less than, greater than types of symbols will be there. This is known as linear inequation. I have written one example. This is general linear inequation ax plus by less than equal to c, where this is linear inequation because highest degree is 1. Inequation is here, inequality. It can be in any form. Now, solving an inequation, it is a process of obtaining all possible solutions which has a solution set. You were thinking how will we find a solution set means Rajay, you will not get a single number there, you will find interval form, just like we have discussed in chapter first set theory. Now let us consider some examples. Solve 2x minus 4 less than equal to 0. You know minus 4 will become positive here. Firstly, then you will divide it by 2. You are getting x is less than equal to 2. Means all the values equal to and less than 2. So it means x belongs to minus infinity to 2. One thing remember, whenever equality is there, then you will take the square bracket. Whenever equality is not there, then you will take open bracket like this, because in this bracket these extreme values will not be included, but in with the infinity you will take only open bracket. Now how will you make it on graph? You know this is your number line is minus infinity to infinity, left side negative, right side positive. Then you know minus infinity to 2 because value is less than 2. So I hope you are getting. And one thing more, when equality is here, then you will highlight that point also. Otherwise, if equality is not there, then you will not highlight, you will see only that side. Yes, second example I have taken, same in that manner I am doing. Then you will divide, it means your x belongs to greater than equal to 3. 3 is included there. It means you will make a number line, then you will minus infinity to infinity take there. 3 to infinity, equality is here, so I highlighted it. 3 to infinity means more than 3, you have to take each and every number. Next example is, firstly I have written some points to remember. If negative sign with x, then you have to shift with constant term, then its sign will be altered. Like if minus x greater than 3, then it implies sign will be altered when you will take the negative sign with the constant. Similarly, I have taken one more example. Then you will alter its sign, sign will shift on that side. If you have to cancel negative sign on both sides, then also it's altered. Like both sides are having negative. If you have to cancel, then sign will be shifted. Similarly in this manner. I hope you are getting. Remember, these are very important results for inequality. And if less than or greater than are not having equality, then it means that number will not be included, and you will use open bracket like x is greater than 3. It means x belongs to 3 to infinity. I used open bracket. I told also it means 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 is not included. You have to take the numbers more than 3. But you will use open brackets. 3 and infinity will not be included. And here also I have taken one more example. It means x is less than 5. So you will take the left side of 5. So I have taken 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1. And one thing more, with infinity we will use only this bracket always. Next example is 2x plus 3 upon 4. This is given. Firstly, you will take the like terms on one side and constant term on one side. Then I have taken LCM and you will do. Then after solving, I am getting this result. Then if I have to cancel it, then sign will be altered. Now you know कि x belongs to minus infinity to 8.1 because x is less than equal to. But equality is here, then you will take the closed bracket. Remember this. Equality is here. Yes. And next question is solve 4x minus 2 less than 8 when x belongs to real, x belongs to integer, x belongs to natural number. Firstly, we will solve. We are solving this. Then you are getting x is less than 2.5. Now you will take first condition when x belongs to real. Real means number can be in any form. So you will take minus infinity to 2.5. We are using open bracket because equality is not here. Every number is real. Next, x belongs to z. Z means integers. Integers means you will not take the decimal number. So x belongs to less than 2.5. 210 minus 1 I have taken. 2.5 is not included because this is not integer. So less than 2.5, only 2 is integer. After that I have written. Yes, then x belongs to natural. Natural numbers you know from starting 1. So only 1 and 2 numbers are here. And one thing more, whenever you have to write in this manner, you always use curl bracket, just like set form. I hope you are getting. Last question. See, solve x plus 3 upon x minus 2 less than equal to 2. Whenever any term in this manner will come, firstly you will take constant term here. Then you will take its LCM. I also have taken and solved in this manner. But firstly check whenever your x term in left side is negative, firstly make it positive by taking its common. So you know whenever you have to cancel it, yes, then you will change its sign. I did. Yes, after that you will find its points, means you will keep both point equal to 0. You are getting the values of x, what, 2 and 7. To find these are known as critical points. These points are known as critical points. So you will plot these points on the number line. 2 and 7 I plotted. I hope you are getting. Then you know that this side it will be positive, positive, negative, positive. In this manner you will prepare always. This will be in altered form. Firstly positive, then negative, then positive. Then you have to write it. So it can be written as x belongs to 2 to 7, means any number. Yeah, you can say minus infinity to 2 union 7 to infinity. These two methods are here. No problem, you can use any method. I hope you are getting. This is very easy. Thank you.